Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually. 2 customers require 2 sets of tableware. Can you please introduce the cuisine to me? First, order an appetizer. Onion soup. Then, select an entree. Grilled lamb chops. At last, choose a dessert. Apple tart. Appetizer. Onion soup. Choose the things you need. Onion. Vegetable knife. Frying pan. French onion soup is a classic savory soup in French restaurant. The main ingredients are beef stock and onions. Make onion soup. Black pepper. Add some ingredients to make it even more tasty. Beef stock. Choose a bowl for the onion soup. The onion soup will be even more delicious with bread. Spread some butter on the bread. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Wow! The onion soup is finished! Parsley flakes. Mint. Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree, grilled lamb chops. Choose the things you need. Lamb chops. Tin foil. Food scale. Small saucepan. Measuring cup. In France, lamb chops are a popular choice for entree. High-temperature grilling keeps the thick chops fresh and juicy. Make lamb chops. Salt. Black pepper. Sprinkle on some green onions. Take some tin foil and put it on the baking sheet. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Lamb chops are delicious with sauce. Let's pour in 400. Not enough milk. You still need to pour some more. Not enough milk. You still need to pour some milk. You still need to pour some more. White sugar. Salt. Black pepper. Nutmeg. Add in 50 grams of flour. The sauce requires 50 grams of butter. Sift the flour.